Hello and welcome to another lesson on JavaScript. The topic we are going to be looking at today is called JavaScript data types. So JavaScript variables can hold 8 data types, but for now, just think of numbers and string. As a developer, you work mostly with numbers and string, and there are times when you work with array and object, which you are going to be taking a look at later as we progress in our learning. But for now, just think of numbers and string. It's our level that we are currently at. So strings are text written inside code. So let me just pull up my editor and show us what I mean. So this is an example of string. So I will take off all this code and then I'll just do something simple. Console.log. My name is Toby. And take a look in my console. In my console, you can see my text is appearing. My name is Toby. I can as well do use a single quote and it will work. Do something like I live in Manchester. Can you see? So you can either use a single quote or double quote for string in JavaScript. Both are allowed. Then also numbers are written without code. So numbers, you write them without code. So if I want to put number inside my console.log, I don't need to put quotes. You can see if I put 10, I see 10. I can do multiplication, I can add multiple number, you know, inside this console, and I will still get an output in my console in the browser. So you can see that I'm not adding anything like either single quote or double quotes to numbers. And then lastly, if you put a number in quote, it will be treated as a text string. So let's take a look. Let's put a number. One of these number, let's add a quote to it. And let's see how JavaScript will handle it. Now, check this out. Take one of these minus out. Can you see this? You can see that here JavaScript is adding the numbers together. So each of these numbers are being treated as as a string and not as a number. So what JavaScript is doing is that it's adding this 7, 6 plus 2, 6 plus 7, that's 13 minus 8, that's 5. And then it's adding it to this number and evaluating it into the string. And you can see the results that we are getting. So let me take this out and let's see what you will get. Now let's see, is anything changing? You can see that JavaScript is adding 10 plus 6 plus 7, which is what is giving us this result. So if your number is encapsulated in quotes, either single or double quotes, JavaScript will always treat it as a string. So be aware of this when you are writing your program so that you don't get inconsistent results at the end of the day. Thank you. I'll see you in the next lesson.